Welcome to the San Diego County Office of Education's CSET English Subtest II preparation course. Watch this short informational video for details on how to best navigate this course to prepare for your test. Start by reviewing the content domains by clicking the Content Domains Standards tab on the left navigation bar. Take a practice test by clicking the Practice Test tabs. When taking the test, which is comprised of 50 multiple-choice questions, time yourself and spend no more than the 1 hour allotted on the actual CSET to best mimic how you could fare on the actual test. After completing the practice test, review the answers, paying particularly close attention to questions you answered incorrectly. Click the Resources Glossary tabs to review information. Finally, do something with the information you are studying. Flashcards are an excellent study tool, or do anything else that works for you. On the day of the test, when you log in, there will be a timed tutorial. This tutorial will not take up any of your allotted time and is available for up to 10 minutes. Use this tutorial to learn how to use resources that will help you on your test, like the highlight and strike-through features. As previously mentioned, you will have 1 hour to complete this exam, and there will be a time remaining clock in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Use that timer to pace yourself, and don't use too much time on any difficult questions. If you have a question that you're unable to answer or confused on, use the Flag for Review button, which you can learn about in the tutorial, so that you can come back to it later. Also, as mentioned previously, this test is comprised of 50 multiple-choice questions, and they will cover standards in language, linguistics, and literacy. Before you take the test, you will be given a whiteboard with marker or another resource to write notes as needed, and an option to take headphones and earplugs. It is suggested that you take all resources that are available in case you decide that you need them later. The unofficial score for the CSET English II subtest should be available at the testing site immediately after completing your test. Your official score can take up to a month, depending on when you take it, so go to the CTC exam site to review the specific test release dates. Your official CSET scores will be sent to the CTC and any other institution that you indicated when you registered for the CSET, and you can also opt to have it emailed to you. Good luck on the test, and remember, if you need to retake it, you can always register online.